North Paddock. We've donated our cable for the camera to Cringy. I always put an N in there. Anyway, we're on the GoPro now because the performer needs a cable. So we're gonna go with the long shot, the long cut here. There's a lot going on in the parking lot. I know this car, I've seen it, I think it was at Cars and Pizza. I don't remember specifically, but we also have bikes. There's bikes here. The Beamer. S1000. And then this just rolled in. This parking lot's pretty crazy. They're rolling out. Oh, he's got a truck full. Wish I could zoom in. Let's go back over here. I want to get this parking lot. What's here? Aha! All right. This makes up the end of the road. There's a roller. Let's come through here. Tend to move more on the GoPro. Three, 4, 5 is on the side. A little of that. There's some other cars over here. I'm gonna go get the bikes. I'm gonna come over here on the bikes. Don't want to leave out the bike. I am starting to lose light.
We love y'all. This is happening, man. So at 9 o'clock Friday for praise, we're going to be doing a little bit of science with a little we've been down here for oxygen before. So in the next like 15 to 20 minutes, we're going to be doing a live performance. We're going to be doing a music video shoot. So if you guys want to color change, this man makes it happen. Dario is making this first shot happen. So we're going to be doing a few more things over the next like 15 to 20 minutes.
Holly Ellis Fest is on this one.
Stay around the camera, we'll make that happen. But at 9 o'clock,
there's a row of bikes over here.
For Kyle Busch and 1325. But aside that, any questions about come up with we're getting to take care of.
Oh.
These rappers and you never see me just politicking, cause most of them fake and they lie to your face. These rappers don't turn into politicians. Step back, I'ma take this shoulder. Keep this chip right off my shoulder. Say kick rocks, I step on orders. Cut that back, I just reorder. Step back, I'ma strip right off my shoulders. Said kick rocks, I stepped on mortars. Cock that back, I just reloaded. One of a kind in my mind, I'm a fucking monster. When I shine, hella light on the folks in darkness. You ain't never met a fiend with his demons conquered. Let him talk, I'ma walk, I'll see you bother. Back me in the corner, you gon' meet your mate. A new Kool-Aid drink, you ain't seen this flavor. Look at those doing better, I don't see one hater. Peep gang do work, I don't need no favors like.
I swear they keep calling my phone. I'm like, hold on, let me check the still. If she get time of day, then I had it.
Yo. Hey man, if anybody wants to be involved in a music video shoot, we got some free merch for you. We got either a shirt or a towel you can wear. If you want to be involved, man, come on over. Your face don't gotta be in it. Put the rag over your face if you don't like it that much. It's okay. Either way, we love you the same, baby. We love you the same. We're about to kick off a live performance over here in a few minutes. We'll wait to see if anybody comes grab some shirts. It's not nothing crazy. You don't need to dance. You don't need to jump. You don't need to do anything. Just wave the towel or the shirt around in the air, and that'll make me plenty of happy, man. I appreciate y'all. Give us about 2-3 minutes, and we're gonna get started.
Whoa! Oops. Good thing I was just turned my camera on. I just turned the camera on. It's a drift car.
Nothing, man.
I know.
Yeah, it's really good.
It's
right?
it's a drift
A
car.
drifting car, right?
It's a drift car.
Yeah, exactly.
I think that's better. All right, I'm gonna go this way. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna walk this row. We're gonna come over here. There, you got a full car. Still a full house. Let him pull through the frame here. Nice. What up, guys? You're on the channel. What is this? It's an Infinity. All right. Hey, Drifter, what you brung? Enjoy. Beamer, I love it. I like to see the Beamer out here. Give you a sense of the vehicles that were out here drifting tonight. Show you the queue. There goes Stoked On Cars again. Nope. Wrong Corvette. Just a yellow Corvette. This is what it looks like. I really want to run into Stoked On Cars if I can. It's about the only person I can think of to give me a ride along. But I have a helmet. So it's after 9. Let's see, what time is it? It's oh shit. Way after 9. Time has flown. I was just at the Careless booth at 9 o'clock, and now it's almost 10, and we're over in the queue. To give you a sense of right on. All right. This is really good. I've got good lighting. And the cars aren't moving, which helps. So, that's funny. That's funny. Seeing this? No shit. Was that really a tandem with all those? Did all those guys go at the same time? Jesus. Not many of these in the row here. How many people are drifting, not just in a truck, but in one of these? You. That dude. All right, he gets it. I'll show you guys who's in the queue over here. I'm gonna try and catch Stoked on Cars at some point. He's gonna be in and out of the. Let me come over here. There goes Stoked on Cars. So I'm gonna figure out where I need to be, and then all right, there you go. All right. Figure out where the camp is over here.
That was the best that last quarter.
Some good lighting on it. Got the quiet plate. Oh, look at that. That's an interesting. All right. Dig it. This thing came out. Urban Takeover Patrol. Right now, this is sitting here. So, yellow Corvette. Got another Corvette that just started up over here. We're gonna figure out what's going on out here. This thing's pretty crazy. I'm gonna get some through here. All right. Red Bull's here.
Now when the strobe light hits, I want you to know.
Before I leave, I'm gonna get some of what's in these parking lots over here. I've put the SLR away now. We're done with the SLR. Oh, the light is over here, I see. The light is on this side. Alright, well. I'll just walk the row. I don't even know what's over here. I don't even know what this is. But I'm gonna. What is this? Okay. I got a whole build sheet on it. I don't think I got this. So we'll get it. And then, I'm pretty sure I got this. I was in here on the phone, basically. I don't even know what this is, really. It's in the parking lot, so it's something, but I didn't know what it was, really. So. It is going late out here. It is going late, but I am not about it. I'm about to move on. And I'm at the drift pit. Go ahead and come over here. Watch the parade. He's getting it parked over here. And then it looks like he's gonna do the same thing. They're putting it in right here. We got traffic. Regular traffic. Regular traffic over there with the Focus. Yeah. Everybody's sounding off at this point. It's pretty much free for all. You want to sound off. The whole parking lot's going off at this point. So got a slow roller on the Corvette. I think he was going to sound off. Well, everybody's here. Everybody came out. Definitely a successful event.